Hello, this is Tech Dawgs, and I am the Vice President, Emma Blackwell, and we are a community outreach organization based through the Computer Science and Information System Technologies departments. We are all about promoting technology through educational material and educational workshops to the Carbondale community and to current SIUCs. We mainly do community service when we have offered our services at Expanding Your Horizons, which is mainly about promoting STEM fields to young women, and we also volunteer at SIUCon. We have also worked with the Boy Scouts organization with their Cubs Can Code portion of an event that they held here at SIU, and we teach them some of the fundamentals about technology and how it works. And we also host our own Tech Day, which is developed by us, where we bring in guest speakers and create workshops that community members and students can come to and learn from. If you are interested, you can send us an email to techdogs@siu.edu. Any new member is welcome. We don't care what your major is, your technological experiences, or whether you're a graduate or undergraduate. We accept anyone without any fees. It's totally free. So if you're interested in teaching and promoting technology, we'd love to have you. So send us an email at techdogs@siu.edu. Also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for any updates about what we're doing, or look through about our past posts about what we've done. It's a great organization, and we'd love to have you in it. Once again, I'm Emma Blackwell, and I'm the Vice President. We are looking for a communications coordinator who will run our social media, send out emails, and maintain our RSO profile on the SIU website. So if you are interested in that, you don't have to have a CS or IST background. Just come as you are. If you are interested, please email our president, Cruz Kusman, or me, and we can get you started with that. Once again, this is Tech Dawgs, and we'd love to have you. Please email us, and we hope to see you soon.